Hi guys, what's up? I'm Maithili and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and welcome to a Nykaa haul. I know you guys love my haul videos and I also love doing haul videos. So today we're gonna do a Nykaa haul, but this time it's gonna be less of, or rather no makeup and skincare. I am completely focused on hair care. I have spent a certain amount of money, but only because I wanted to invest in some good hair care products. I really need to learn how to do like newer hairstyles and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be a learning curve, but I'm really interested in it. And if you are, keep on watching. Let's quickly see what all did I buy. So this is what my Nykaa box looks like. It's pretty heavy and I have made, I would say, quite a few good investments. So yeah, let's open it together. The good part this time is that I haven't spent a lot of money like I normally would on a Nykaa haul. इस टाइम मैंने बहुत ही essentials जो थे और जो मुझे लगा कि हाँ, these are the products that I will actually need, वही मैंने order किए थे. So let's quickly begin. The first thing I am gonna show you guys is this one. This is what I got. This is the L'Oreal Paris Dark Brown Magic Retouch Hairspray. It's a root concealer spray. Actually, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but मुझे ना कुछ अपने white hair दिखते हैं and it kind of really annoys me, okay? It really, in a way, it also really distracts me a lot. So I thought, you know what, let's just buy this wonderful product and see if it actually helps me do something. And it does say that it's temporary gray coverage. It lasts until you shampoo it out. So I think it's a pretty good product if it actually works. Alright, so the next product that I got from Nykaa is this. This is the Purna hair gummies. So basically, as I said कि इस बार मुझे genuinely अपने बालों पे focus करना है. I have been kind of, I wouldn't say ignoring my hair, but I really want to put in more effort for my hair. So this is your Purna hair gummies. These are Hairway to Heaven, biotin hair, skin and nails. So you have to eat one a day and there are 30 gummies in this. It's a dietary supplement. It is in the cranberry flavor. So I'm actually gonna try one in front of you guys. ये open करके. Alright, this is what our gummies look like. I am gonna open one. This is so cute. It's a cute packaging, guys. I really like it. Open करते हैं. It tastes good. It tastes like a jelly. बचपन में चॉकलेट आती थी ना मीठी मीठी सी जेली वाली. This literally tastes like that. One gummy a day. So the next thing that I got is the Be Blunt Salon Like Hair Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist for all hair types. मैंने ना बहुत सारे reels देखे थे जहाँ पे they do like an earbud वाला test to see if the heat protectant actually works, and Be Blunt का heat protectant is supposed to do an amazing job while you style your hair. So I don't have the habit of styling my hair. In fact, I never really style my hair unless and until if I have been to the salon and they have given me a haircut and a blow dry. Other than that, I do not use any styling tools. So this time I really wanted to try one. So the first product that I got was this, which is the heat protection mist. I'm really particular about like the fragrances. Wow, it smells amazing, guys, by the way. In case you are wondering, I know that this is a very random piece of information, but yeah, this is supposed to do a good job. Another thing that I got, this is a skincare product. This is the only skincare product that I have. So this is the Beauty of Joseon's Revive Eye Cream, which has ginseng plus retinol. Now this is not for myself, this is for my mom. And apparently Beauty of Joseon is a Korean skincare brand and they do have some really good products. I have not tried them, but I've heard really good comments from them. So this is what the cream looks like, and yeah, I think this should do a good job. I will let you know in case you guys are interested in knowing. You're just supposed to apply this. By the way, this does have retinol, so it's only advisable if you are above 25. I would suggest to use retinol. बिना उसके मत करना, because retinol is a very I would say active skincare ingredient. Coming on to the last product of the haul. I know आप लोगों को लगेगा कि ये haul थोड़ा सा छोटा है. This haul is actually super small because as I mentioned earlier, that I did not buy a lot of stuff, but still I wanted to share all of these products with you. Okay, now comes the star of this haul, the star product, the product that has been in my wish list for quite some time now is finally here. So this is the Alan Truman Golden Blow Brush. I'm gonna open this. As I had mentioned कि मैंने कभी styling tools use नहीं किए हैं, so this is new for me also. I'm also gonna have to learn how to like use this and figure out stuff. Okay, how do I open this? There you go, guys. Let's open it. Guys, I have heard a lot of good things about this particular blow brush, and this, okay, it is huge. This is what the blow brush looks like. It has good amount of bristles. It has soft bristles, I think, and this is the plug point. I love the color scheme. Again, it screams luxury. By now you guys know that I love the combination of black and gold. They do have a lot of other color options in this, but I particularly wanted the black and the gold colored blow brush. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It comes with 3 settings. You have warm, hot, and blast. Blast is the cool mode basically. I am so excited to try this product, to use this blow brush. So yeah, wish me luck. I hope I don't burn anything or myself amidst all of this styling. So that was it for my super cute mini Nykaa haul. Let me know if you guys want reviews on any particular products, or if you want more of such hauls, and if you want to see how I style my hair for the first time. I think that would be an interesting video since I haven't really done that before. If you guys enjoyed watching the video, if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before closing this video, and turn on the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you are notified. Also, just wanted to let you guys know that in case you want to buy any of these products, obviously, as usual, the product links will be in the description box below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye.